Hey everyone, it's April 30th, 2017, and we're closing in on completing phase 1 and phase 2. So I wanted to give you one last video before that was all done, and I thought we'd do something different this time. I thought I'd do a walking tour. But actually it's more of a lawnmower driving tour. So, ready? Here we go. The outside of the house. Now let's head inside and I'll show you how far we're getting. So in here is all the warm board that has the tubing fitted. And almost each room has a zone. There are a total of 8 zones. So you can heat some parts of the house warmer than other parts of the house. And like the back kitchen is a zone. The dining room is a zone. And there's our new cherry wood flooring, ready to go in. This is the workshop currently. And let's just take a quick look down in the basement for all of those who haven't seen it yet. Our gorgeous basement. New pipes, new wires, new lights, new beams, and soon to be new furnace. So that's the basement. Yeah, not even a cellar really, it's a basement, isn't it? And these are the zones where they all gather into the old stairwell, which is now a closet. And this is the new floor going in, so the sitting room is almost done. Cherry floor like the other floor, except it goes in the other direction. And of course, in the trustees' room, we got that completed. There we are. So we're closing in on it.